What's up, GOI here, and today is another one a day keeps the doctor away. Invasion Vengeance this time, first edition. I don't really like not doing first editions. I hate not doing first. I hate things that aren't first edition. Doesn't make sense. Anyway, here we go. Flower Cardian Maple with Deer, Cipher Bit, Chemi-Critter Carbo Crab, Side Frame Accelerator, Cyber Reflection, and Cyber Angel VRASH. I'm going to say VRASH. You can ritual summon this card with Machine Angel Ritual. If this is ritual summoned, you can destroy any face-up monster your opponent controls as possible. You can destroy as many face-up monsters your opponent controls as possible that were special summoned from the extra deck, and if you do, inflict 1,000 damage to your opponent for each. And if you do that, this card can make a second attack during each battle phase this turn. Once per turn during either player's turn, when a card or effect is activated that would destroy a card on the field, you can shuffle one ritual monster from your graveyard into your deck to negate the activation, and if you do, destroy that card. And to me, was that overpowered? GRAYDLE Combat. I fucking hate GRAYDLEs. Cypher Twin Raptor and Predaplant Moray Nephesis. There we go. Okay, and that was the super. Thanks for watching, guys. Like, comment, subscribe. As always, go check out my website www.geekout-industries.com, and I always forget my own website. And that's it. Oh, also, if you guys have got any video suggestions, packs you want to see, opening booster boxes, anything, just let me know. I'm thinking about doing, I don't know, a history of TCG Yugioh or something like that. I don't know. Anyway, cheers for watching, guys. Don't freak out. Geek out. Did I? Don't remember.